construct a confidence interval for mu t, so you know right away that this one is talking about the dependent one, the dependent sample. The mean of the different type of population is there. So if they give you this data, the easiest way, put the first data in list 1, put the second one in list 2, and then put with this part for the mean difference of the before minus after. So you put before, put it in list 1, after put it in list 2, and for list 3 you do L1 minus L2. Okay, you did that, right? And what they asked for is to construct a confidence interval with 99%. So you go to you go to stat, sorry, forget the second, go to stat, test, and then C interval, and then you use data, and then put list 3, frequency 1, sea level is 0.99, calculate, and you got the answer. Was thinking. That's the answer, 1 and 2, from that point to that point. Next one. Assume that you want to test the claim that third sample data come from population which mean mu t is equal to 0. So whenever it's talking about mu t, your H0 and H1 is always mu t equal to 0 and mu t is less than or greater than 0. It's always. So it's not talking about two population anymore. Those two population you put it at once. You put it in one.
And now you're moving on to
the different, the different. So over here, instead of doing mu equal to mu, you do mu t equal to 0. And since your claim is the mean difference is equal to 0, right? So your H1 you can put it as mu t not equal to 0. So if you go to the calculator, you can use t-test. So you go to stat, test, t-test, and then you still have the data in the list number 3, right? So you just put there.
So what is not equal to?
You can put not equal to, and calculate.
Now we get those numbers, right?
Yeah. Please go on. The only thing is you have to find the critical value.
What's that one?
To find the critical value,
are we going to the back with T, and it's a two-tail?
Yeah, it's two-tail because it's not equal to, right? So you have two-tail, and then the alpha is...
Where were we on this one?
Now you have to know how to find the alpha, right?
Yeah.
99% alpha is on this. Okay, so if you have 99%...
0.01.
Yeah, right? Because you have like this and then 99% in the middle. So 0.01 is for both sides, right? 0.005, 0.005, because 0.01 divided by 2. So over here, if you have two tails, you have 0.005 here and 0.005 there. And then find the t-score of the critical value and the critical value, which is just a negative and positive one. So if you go to the table, go back to the table, you still need the degree of freedom, right? Degree of freedom is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So you go to 8, and then area in one of the tail is 0.05, right? 0.05. 3.355. 3.355. The minus because you have two tails. Done, and then you take your H0, you just compare your p-value.
These were not the correct numbers, so with the other numbers. It's the other way.
Okay, so you use your p-value and compare it with alpha, and then take a 3-check or fail to recheck.
Okay. And then the last one.